就让我们一起加入客家风情大家来讲客家吧。
Hello everyone, welcome back. It's time for Practical Hakka here on ICRT.
Hello， 午後大家好，我係 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Joseph Ling. This month, a phrase that we're teaching you over and over again is getting nervous. To be nervous, 紧張。
緊張。
这个人生呢，一生应该会有一次的事情，就是
结婚，你会紧張啊？我結過婚啊，你還沒結婚的人，你可能很緊張。
对，我还要面临以后要求婚的这一块。All right, let's put you in a situation where you're about to propose and getting a little nervous. OK， 我们来听一段这个关于要求婚开始紧張的對話。
聽講你嘅求婚準備好嘛？
準備好咧，唔過我係你當緊咗。
放心，我哋會老聽數啦。
All right, so this situation is, a guy about to propose tomorrow, and of course he's getting very nervous, and his friends are going to help out. So let's break it down for you, okay? 第一句呢，就是你明天的求婚準備好了嗎？ Are you ready for the proposal tomorrow?
聽講你嘅求婚
聽講你嘅求婚
準備好嘛？
準備好嗎？ OK， 準備好了嗎？ OK，
準備好嘛？
求婚怎麼說？
求婚。
求婚 OK, that's the proposal. Are you ready for tomorrow's 聽講你求婚？準備好了，可是我還是很緊張。So I'm ready, but I'm still very nervous.
準備好咧。
準備好咧。
唔過我還係當緊張。
唔過我還係當緊張。OK， 就是我還是很緊張。OK, but I'm already ready. 準備好了 ，still very nervous. 放心，我們會幫你啦。No worries, we will help you.
放心，我哋會老聽數啦。
我哋會老聽數啦。聽數剛剛一直講嘛，就是幫忙。Yeah, 我哋會就是我們會。We will help you. All right, let's review and repeat some of these phrases we brought up, including to propose, 求婚。
求婚。
Okay, and then no worries, 放心。And then to help, 要幫。聽數 that means 幫忙的意思了。Let's hear the conversation again.
聽講你嘅求婚準備好嘛？
準備好咧，唔過我係你當緊咗。
放心，我哋會老聽數啦。
All right, and this whole month, we're all teaching you how to say 緊張。怎麼辦？我根本還沒有要求婚，但是光是教這篇呢，我越來越緊張。
你要不要我聽數？
到時候一定要你幫忙，好不好？
好，我一定會聽數。
All right, I got Alice's help. All right, that does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
安子 say 張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.